Wait before you skip this video. This short story will teach you a powerful English conversation. Now, let's start the story.
Oh no, her forehead is very hot.
What happened? Why are you awake?
I think she has a fever.
Let me check her temperature. Oh my God, it is 103 degrees.
That is very high.
Mom, I feel very weak.
My dear, don't worry. Mommy is here.
We need to take her to the hospital.
I am very scared.
Don't panic. We will help her.
She was fine in the evening.
Mom, my head hurts.
I know, sweetheart.
We should go to the hospital right now. Come quickly.
I am coming.
Mom, I feel cold.
Jew. We will reach the hospital soon.
Try to relax.
I cannot sleep.
Close your eyes for a moment.
We are here.
Please help us! Hello, how can I help you?
My daughter has a very high fever.
She suddenly became sick tonight.
It started a few hours ago.
She was playing happily earlier. Please sit here for a moment. Thank you. I hope everything will be okay.
Don't worry. The hospital staff will take care of her.
She looks so weak.
I know. It hurts to see her like this.
Mom, I feel very tired.
Just rest your head on my shoulder.
The doctor will come soon.
Hello, I am the doctor. What is your name?
My name is Anna.
Nice to meet you, Anna. Doctor, she suddenly got a high fever tonight.
We were very worried.
Don't panic. Let me check her first. Please help her. Of course. That is my job. Her temperature is very high. Is it dangerous? It can be serious if we ignore it.
What should we do now?
First, we will give her medicine.
Will she feel better soon?
Yes, but we must observe her.
Will I be okay?
Yes, you will be fine. It is better to admit her tonight. Okay, doctor.
We trust you.
Mom, I want to go home.
Soon, my dear. After treatment, you will feel stronger.
Mom, I am scared.
Don't be afraid.
Mommy is right here with you. And Daddy is here too.
Thank you.
Try to sleep now.
Okay.
Tomorrow you will feel better.
Good night. Good morning. Good morning, doctor. How did she sleep? She slept for a few hours. That's good to hear.
Is the fever lower?
Yes, it is slightly lower. Thank God. Mom, I feel a little better today. That is wonderful news.
You are very brave.
She is responding well to the medicine. I have good news for you.
What is it, doctor?
Your daughter is recovering quickly.
That makes us very happy.
Thank you so much. She can go home today.
Really?
Yes, my dear.
We are finally going home.
I am happy now.
We are happy too.
Let's go home and rest.
I missed my home.
Welcome back, my dear.
Now everything is normal again.
I love you, Mommy and Daddy.
We love you too, sweetie. And this is how love and care make everything better. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Her journey is not over yet. The next morning will be very special for her.